The sun is shining bright and new. We're on our way to the amazing zoo. Grab your hat and sing along. Let's learn new words through this song. Yeah, let's go to the zoo. Hip, hip, hooray! A lion says roar, so big and strong. A monkey goes woo, ow, all day long. A bird says tweet up in the sky, and elephants trumpet as they walk by. A cow goes moo and a pig goes oink. Each sound is special, don't you think? Be yourself, be proud and true. Every sound belongs to you. Different voices, one big song. Together we all sing along. Oh, together we all sing along. But one strange day the sounds went wrong. The lion chirped a tiny song. The monkey swam like silly seals. The cows were dancing on their heels. Oh no, what happened to the zoo? We must find out what to do. What does the animal say? Let's find out the right way. Learn each sound, it's fun to do. That's how we talk, me and you. Yeah! That's how we talk, me and you. Every voice is special here. Don't change your song out of fear. Your sound, your smile, your way to play makes the world bright every day. Big or tiny, short or tall, be yourself, that's best of all. Be yourself, it's the best to do. A pig says oink, a cow says moo. From the jungle to